In this video, I'm going to show you some of the strategies and tactics I used to make my first $1,000 with high-ticket affiliate marketing. Using this course, it's called Affiliate Income Network System. And also, I will show you the importance of having a mentor, a coach to guide you on the way. I'm going to break down what high-ticket affiliate marketing is, the structure, and also the blueprint on how you can make high-ticket commission sales from high-ticket affiliate marketing, and also show you inside the course some of the structures and also some of the modules to show you how important it is to have a course that gives you unlimited coaching and also over delivers. Now, if you're a beginner or even a seasoned affiliate marketer, I believe this will help you out so much and will be a game changer to help you on your affiliate marketing journey. I struggled with affiliate marketing for years until I found a coach to help me with some of the minor details to help me get to where I need to go with email marketing, with posting content, what type of content to post, finding my right audience, finding my voice, and also picking the right affiliate programs and also softwares. I learned that I had to find somebody that already been there to show me how to get there. Because just like Michael Jordan, he wouldn't have won 6 championships if he didn't have a coach to show him how to get there. But before we get into it, let me show you how high-ticket affiliate marketing works, and then we'll get inside the course and I'll break it down for you. So let's go. Now, our main goal is to get our potential customers or followers to purchase a high-ticket product, service, or course, right? And what I used to do is post short form content on different platforms and then get people to buy a product or a service from Amazon, Clickbait, Digistore, or a software product in hopes to make money. That was the wrong way to do it, because 9 times out of 10, if you're not like a celebrity or you well known already, most people are not going to buy a high ticket product from you or from me, right? They didn't buy it from me. So I got a couple of sales, but it wasn't anything to talk about. So my mentor taught me the right way to promote high ticket affiliate products. And even though content is king, is always king, but we also have to set up the blueprint or the system on how to attract people to a high ticket commission product, service, or course, right? So I had to create an opt-in page. And the opt-in page is basically giving away a free ebook or a free course in exchange for a person's email, right? And this way, with the emails, you can always send out motivational content, other supporting offers in the future. Now, from the opt-in page, that bridge page is very important. Bridge page basically means that I'm bridging the gap between my potential customer and my high-ticket product, right? And then you can do a video, or you can just do a bridge page with links and funnels. And the third step is having a program which has a webinar or a challenge. And with the webinar or challenge, you're giving a person value and information on how important it is to purchase the high commission product, service, or course, which will help them get to their goals faster. Now, the emails is the most important part of making money with high-ticket affiliate marketing, because once I get the emails through opt-in page, what I can do is every day or every other day through my email database, I can send out like a welcome email, which I can also give them access to the free course or to the free ebook that I offered in the opt-in page. And then I can send another email out for a supporting offer which will be like a course that's probably like $9, $10. I send out success stories. I send out motivational video or content, and also inviting people to my Facebook group and also to my new YouTube videos. And in turn, once I nurture my people through my emails, later on down the line, they get value from the free information, also the supporting offers that I gave them. In the future, they will purchase my high-ticket affiliate program or offer. All right, guys, we're inside of the course. It's called Affiliate Income Network System. This is the 2.0 version. And what I love about my mentor is that he's always available. I can always book a call with him via Zoom, or he has a Facebook group, which he always answers, and also has a private Discord group as well. So I have 3 ways I can get in contact with him, ask him any questions that I may have, right? We're talking about the buyer's persona in the last video. That was video number 2. This is video number 3. And I gave you guys a free workbook to show you guys how to create your buyer's persona or your buyer's avatar. Because what we need to do is figure out who we actually talking to. Because if I'm trying to talk to everybody, I'm actually not talking to anybody. That's very important to selling any product, especially doing high ticket commission sales. Now this video we're gonna go to the next step, which is finding a profitable niche, right? And finding a profitable niche is really simple, but it's very complex at the same time. We have to find something that we're very passionate about, because I'm gonna have to make content. I'm gonna have to do research. I have to have endurance, because for some people it may take a little while, but you have to be like passionate about what you're doing. You have to be inspired at all times and be willing to learn. Now I'm gonna go over to ChatGPT and show you this strategy that my mentor taught me how to find the correct niche. Now we over in ChatGPT, and I just asked the chat to give me 10 sub niches for health, wealth, and relationship niches. Now we all know those are the top 3 profitable niches in the industry: health, wealth, and relationships. Now with the health niche, you can go with nutrition and diet. You can focus on specific diets: keto, vegan, paleo, meal planning, and so on, right? You have the fitness, you have mental, weight loss, sleep health, women's health, men's health, all type of things, right? These are sub niches. Now the reason why you want to find a sub niche of one of the major niches is because you want to become like a big fish in a small pond. Now the wealth niche is like personal finance, investing, entrepreneurship, side hustles, retirement, real estate, online business, so on and so on, right? I fit in like the passive income, I fit into the online business, I fit into the side hustles, entrepreneurship, but yours may be a little bit different. That's the great thing about having a coach, a person who has already been there. He can tell me how to narrow it down so I can make the most money, so I can speak to the right person. Also, it would in line with my own values and morals, right? Relationship sub-niche, online dating, dating advice, parenting, family relations, friendship, the LGBTQ plus relationships, that's big right now. Self-love and personal development, I did that too as well, because I'm a recovering addict, and I created workbooks and planners for people that was in recovery, because a lot of times we focus on outside entities and forget about taking care of our physical and mental health too as well. And that was very profitable for me. I learned all these things through the course and also through great mentorship. Now, as you see, there's a lot going on inside the Affiliate Income Network System, the 2.0 version. It has so many modules, and you see the check marks right here. These are all the modules I went through all myself, and there's some that I even haven't even made it through yet, because it's so much. It deals with TikTok, posting on TikTok, click funnels. He gives you funnels, so if you don't have an idea how to create them, he teaches you how to create them and also give them to you. So it's really copy and paste type stuff. Helps you out a lot. This is great for beginners and people that's missing that key element in making money online. Just like I gave you guys a free workbook in the other video, in the description, in this video, I'm gonna give you guys a free worksheet to help find the correct niche that you're looking for. It's a downloadable template, and it has all the niche ideas on the side too as well. You can just put your information or your ideas over here, and it's great so you can download it on your computer and keep it available at any time. If this information was useful and you want to make your first $1,000 online, leave it in the comments. I want to make my first $1,000. Rock, future millionaire. Checking out. Peace.